Okay, just to show you that this is not unique to Python with these comparison operators, I'm going to take a look at Scratch again. We had the if statement. If we go to operators, remember I called them comparison operators, it's the correct term for them. So the green block is the operators, and if I open it up you will see the comparison operators. Here's my less than, here's my equal to. Now notice that this one just has a single equal to, and this one is my greater than. The only one that was missing from my comparison operators was the one that said not equal to. And you might notice that we have got a not down here. Remember I said it was the exclamation mark. So that's treated a little bit differently, but we'll come to that a little bit later when we talk about logic in a bit more depth. So what I've got in Scratch is exactly what I've got in Python, and you might notice the shape, it goes into that block there, so it is testing if something is less than something, and that is normally a variable. So I can make a variable called num, so that is exactly the same as what we used in Python. So I can put in here if num is less than 18, and instead of move 10 steps, let's write the program exactly the same as we did in Python. So I would use a say block, which is the same as a print. Say you are old enough to vote. And another say block in here instead of the move. Say you are not old enough to vote. Now my program here is matching exactly, apart from the move 10 steps, is matching exactly what my Python script is doing. So if we take a look at the two of them side by side, I've got if age, whoops, it should be age not number, so let's change that one. So let's make another variable, age. There we go, it's as simple as that. If age is less than 18, you're old enough to vote, otherwise you are too young to vote. Let's put it exactly. You're too young to vote. There we go. So I'm matching the if statement line for line with Python. But the only thing I can't do is this not equal to. So I have matched this one, less than 18. I could change that out for age at 18 there and swap them over. So I've now got ages greater than 18, or I've got equals. And again, if it's true, the top line is run. If it's false, the bottom line is run. So it'll skip over whichever line you don't need. So the true one is run, skips over the else part. If the else part is run, it just skips over the top if part. So that is how an if statement works. Basically, that's a simple explanation of it. We're going to get a little bit more complex now in what we can actually do with it.